Do you have like a turning point in your creative exploration at all?
I've had multiple turning points. I think it's just been like this one long journey. I've kind of gone back and forth from visual art to songwriting. The most recent turning point that I had was that they can exist in the same space. One doesn't necessarily illustrate the other, but just making them at the same time, they have sort of this natural integration, which has always been really important for me and really hard to find. And just recently, it's kind of it's connected and come together for me.
How does it connect?
Yeah, I think it's just like when I'm writing and I'm making visual art, it just connects kind of like just in the time period and the space. So
More of a mental connection
I
than
think
a...
it's an emotional and a mental connection. And I think what it is that it doesn't matter that the audience can't see it and that they don't have to be together. Like the music is independent of the art. I always thought that somehow that the connection had to be made by the audience. Like the audience could tell the connection between the music and the art, but it doesn't matter to me anymore. What it just is happening for me, and that's all that really matters.